Hi guys, if you want to clear Discord cache on Windows 11 PC, then let's see how to do it. To clear Discord cache on Windows 11, first of all, make sure the Discord app is completely closed. So simply close it and then click on the system tray icon. And here you will see the Discord icon. Simply right click on it and then click on quit Discord. And now the Discord will be completely closed. After that, simply right click on the start button and then go to File Explorer. And on the File Explorer address bar, simply click and type %appdata% and press enter. And now on the appdata folder, find Discord. Here it is. So simply open it. And now on the Discord folder, you have to find 3 cache folder: cache, code cache and GPU cache. So from here, simply find the cache folders and select them. To select all the cache folder, simply press Ctrl key on your keyboard and then select the cache folders. Here is the cache, code cache and GPU cache. And once you select these cache folders, simply right click on them and then select the delete option. And now the selected cache folders will be deleted. After deleting the cache folders from Discord folder, close the File Explorer and then right click on the recycle bin icon. And to permanently remove the Discord cache folders from recycle bin, simply select the option empty recycle bin and then click on Yes to confirm. And the Discord cache folders will be permanently removed from your system. Now go to a Start menu, click on Power and simply restart your system. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily clear Discord cache on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.